Hey, before we begin the video, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and click the little bell to be notified of future videos. Let's start the show. Well, hey, good morning. So here we are in Skagway, Alaska. We've got, I think, 4 or 5 cruise ships in, so it's going to be fun. So in case you don't know, Skagway is where the Klondike Gold Rush took place. So back in the 1800s, gold was discovered in the Klondike, and thousands of people left from Seattle. They took boats up to Skagway or Dyea, one of the 2 towns, and then they hiked up the hills here over to the Klondike. So that's how Skagway got its start. And then the railroad came because it made it easier to put people and their stuff on the trains, and they could have taken them up to the Klondike. So the railroad's here today as a tourist attraction. So that's about what we're gonna do today, is just kind of hang out in Skagway and take the train. So let's enjoy the views around Skagway. And the sun is awfully bright. Well, things happen. So we just got an announcement that came over the ship's PA system that the train has a problem and they're not able to go at 1 or at noon. And so basically the trains are canceled for the rest of the day. So that kind of ruined our plan. So what we're gonna do is go down to the shore excursion desk and find if there's something that we can do. And if there's not, I guess we're just going to go down to downtown Skagway and walk around. And that's okay because it's all part of the national park, the Klondike Gold Rush National Park. So very historic and very pretty to see. But that kind of sucks about the train. But you know, that happens. Everything's mechanical. It's, mechanical, and things do happen. So let's go find out what's going on now. All right, we are off the ship in Skagway, so now we're just gonna kind of hang out and see what's going on. Until then, let's just look at the views here, because there's 4 ships here, and it's very beautiful. Well, we made it into Skagway, and the first stop we came to was the bar here, the Mascot Bar. Actually, this is part of the Klondike Gold Rush National Park. So we're gonna show you sights of Skagway, starting with the bar. Let's check this place out. Very fun to see, and maybe we'll get a drink while we're here. Skagway is part of the Klondike Gold Rush Museum National Park, whatever. They've kept their 1890s feeling. They even have wooden sidewalks everywhere. So it's definitely a neat town. If you're ever up here in Alaska, definitely stop here. There's also a lot of tourists because there's so many ships. But anyway, Skagway is a fun city, and let's keep exploring it and seeing what else we can see. We're gonna stop right here because this is one of my favorite buildings in Alaska. 1890s advertising still on the side of it. Kind of neat. So during the summertime, Skagway is a bustling town, but in the wintertime, the population goes down to about 400. Most people leave because cruise season's over. Okay, and that's our tour of Skagway. So now we're gonna go back to the ship and see what's going on over there. So let's go check it out. That's the end of our video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. Click here to select the video that's best for you. And click here to see the playlist of the Alaska cruise.